Samsung just revealed a new teaser for its next foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The trailer says that the Z Fold 7 will be Samsung's thinnest, lightest, and most sophisticated foldable device to yet. This statement is more than just marketing fluff. It is a continuation of the tradition of perfecting each iteration of the Galaxy Z series to make it thinner, lighter, and stronger. The teaser does not disclose the actual size, but prior leaks and rumors provide a solid indication of what to anticipate. According to a May rumor, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be roughly 4.54 meters thick when unfurled and 9 meters thick when folded, which is just 0.1 millimeters thicker than the current world record holder for the thinnest foldable, the Oppo Find N5. The Z Fold 7 is claimed to be roughly 158.43 by 14,314 millimeters in height and width, which is similar to its predecessor but with a thinner profile and less weight. It should feel considerably nicer in the hand and be more convenient to carry. The display is another important factor to consider. According to reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will most likely have an 8.2-inch internal screen, comparable to the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. The Fold 7's huge screen size makes it ideal for multitasking, gaming, and video watching. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor is slated to power the Galaxy Z Fold 7, delivering blazing fast performance and enhanced economy. This translates to improved gameplay, smoother multitasking, and overall speedier performance. In terms of battery life, the phone is rumored to have a 4000 mAh battery, and Samsung has been refining both hardware and software to prolong battery life, particularly in foldable devices. The teaser is even more intriguing since the formal launch in July is just a few weeks away, when the Z Fold 7 and its brother, the Galaxy Z Flip 7, will be in action. This implies more leaks, more features, and maybe a few surprises from Samsung in the coming days. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.